Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Tina Service. I own a marketing company called The Titan, and I use Gohighlevel to run my marketing company. So in this video, I am going to explain push notifications for people who are using Maid Central and Gohighlevel. So let me just start with the reason why I use push notifications. So the reason that I use push notifications is because we use independent contractors, and currently Maid Central doesn't have push notifications that can easily send to our cleaners when a job has changed. So either a job has gotten bumped or a job is canceled or rescheduled or moved. So an easy way for us to be able to streamline that process is to create these push notifications. So once the push notifications happen, they send the cleaner a Slack notification letting them know that a client sent in, that a job was changed. But it also allows them to get push notifications for when a client sends in some type of change. So either they want to change their cleaning date, or their door will be unlocked, or something to that extent. So here is a flow chart representing what the process is. Simplified, very much simplified. So the first thing that is triggered is when a job is updated in Maid Central, it triggers a further process inside of an automation loop. So what happens here is the job got bumped or changed or whatever, and that's going to send a notification out. So in another video, I'm going to do a little bit of a deep dive into how I do this, but basically something has changed inside of Maid Central. So then what we do is inside of Mail Parser, we've created a mailbox for when this change happens in Maid Central. This data from Maid Central is pushed over to the mailbox, and inside of Mail Parser, we parse that information so we can pull the data that we need. And then once we're done with the mail parsing, we're going to do a segregation, and this is actually the same thing. So it gets sent over to mail parser, and then we do the data segregation, and we isolate the information that we need. Once the mail parser is completed, then we're going to go over to Zapier, and we're going to do a connection between mail parser and Zapier, and then we're going to push that data from Zapier over into Lead Titan or Gohighlevel. And we use a few different fields to get this done inside of Gohighlevel. Once we're done with that, we then push all that information over to high level, and then we can set up an automation that allows us to send the push notifications to the cleaners in real time. So all of this takes a little bit of time to set up. You have to know what you're doing inside of Mail Parser and in Maid Central. But once you have this done, you can absolutely send push notifications to your cleaners.